Hello friends, welcome back to Linux server series. In this video, I will show you how to install CentOS 7 with graphical user interface. Start VMware and select new virtual machine. Then select installer disk image file option and browse CentOS 7 image file and hit next. Select a guest operating system Linux and version CentOS 64-bit and click next. Now name the virtual machine and hit next. Specify disk capacity. Here you can set 20 GB hard disk size and click next. At last, hit on finish. Now power on virtual machine. When you boot the CentOS 7 ISO file, installation process will begin. Here you have to select Install CentOS 7, which is very first one option. That will start installer's graphical interface. Select which language you want to like to use during installation. The default option is English. Click Continue to confirm your selection. When you click on Date and Time icon, you will see a map. Select a region or time zone on the map. Also set time according to your region. Once you have selected your time zone, hit Done to save your changes. Now click the software selection option under the software heading. Here you can see a list of base environment. To install CentOS with graphical user interface, select server with GUI option under the base environment. Apart from this, you can also able to install add-ons for selected environment such as MariaDB database, backup server, DNS name server, high availability, and so on. And at last, hit done. Now click on the installation destination option under the system heading. Here you have to select the device to install CentOS 7 and hit done. By default, automatic partition option is selected, so there is no need to create partition. Once everything is set up according to you, hit begin installation to start the installation of CentOS 7. You can see root password is not set. Select the root password icon. Enter a root password and re-enter it in confirm field. Root password should consist of at least 12 characters, including uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And hit done. You can create a new user here. So click on user creation. Enter full name and password and hit on done. As you can see, package installation process is in progress and there are 1863 packages to install. This will take enough time to install. So at this moment, I am skipping this installation part. Now you can see packages installation process is almost done and start post installation setup task. It is also time consuming process. So I am skipping this part also. CentOS Linux is successfully installed and ready to use. So before using Linux, click on reboot button to restart it. After reboot, you have to accept license. So just click on I accept the license agreement and hit done. I will configure network and set host name after login. So just click on finish configuration and system will reboot. After reboot system, you can see icon with username. Click on it and enter password to login. After login, you can run Linux command on terminal. After login, you can see a beautiful interface of graphical user interface CentOS 7 and software installed on it. So enjoy using CentOS 7 with graphical user interface. Thanks for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new videos.